The Dynamite Kiss episode picks up with Ji-hyuk suddenly kissing Darim. For a brief moment, she kisses him back until she recalls he is engaged to Hyang. She quickly pushes him away, saying she is disappointed he considers her to be a cheap woman. Ji-hyuk rushes after to clarify that he is only engaged to Hyang out of duty. Unfortunately, she is adamant that he has no reason to like her. She is convinced he is playing a game to get back at her. She quickly leaves and runs into Seonyu. He asks about their dinner plans, but she excuses herself and bolts. Ji-hyuk chases after her, but he is too late. At home, Darim thinks about Ji-hyuk's engagement and decides he must be a playboy. Things get worse the next morning when she spots Ji-hyuk standing in proximity to Nansuk. It turns out he was just scolding her for messing up a report. She realizes she might have misjudged what she saw with Hyang. Later, she comforts Nansuk and offers to help. For the day, Ji-hyuk intentionally teams up with Darim to prepare for the exhibition. He spends the day listing reasons why he likes her. Darim is caught by surprise by his shameless flirting and accuses him of bullying her. Elsewhere, Hyang escorts Seonyu while he is working on the exhibition. She notices that he seems sad and is relieved when he reveals that he's confessed his feelings for Darim. She encourages him, joking that a quick rejection will set him straight and give her a chance to win him over. At the office, Jae-min finds himself struggling with his feelings for Go-yoon. At the hospital, Ji-hyuk is opposed to his mother moving in with a friend until he realizes that friend is Darim's mother. At Darim's place, he and Seonyu compete for Myung-soon's attention. Their jealousy fits are nothing short of comical. In-ae watches in fascination as Ji-hyuk tries to endear himself to Darim and Myung-soon. She is delighted when she overhears Ji-hyuk flirting with Darim while cleaning the utensils. It doesn't take long for her to realize that Darim is the one Ji-hyuk loves. In the evening, Jae-min calls Ji-hyuk, asking for advice. When Ji-hyuk meets him, he confesses that he likes a woman from the Mother TF team. Ji-hyuk is all for office romance. For a brief moment, he panics when he thinks Jae-min likes Darim. He is relieved when he mentions Go-yoon and gives his blessing in abundance. Back at the office, Ji-hae and Chung-gu continue to plot Ji-hyuk's downfall. Later, she meets with Chung-ho and Hyang's parents. It turns out Jin-tae is in no rush for the wedding, while Myoki is more worried about Ji-hyuk's standing. To ease their concerns, Chung-ho explains that Ji-hyuk will be taking over the company. This pisses Ji-hae off even more. Although Ji-hae doesn't like it, she agrees to cooperate with Taeyang. It seems he has been planning this for a long time and even bought natural BEP stocks. He suggests teaming up with Ji-hae to kick Chung-ho and Ji-hyuk out of the company. Meanwhile, Myung-soon shows their family album to Ji-hyuk and In-ae. Darim nearly dies from embarrassment. As they talk, Myung-soon reminisces about the trips her family took when her husband was alive. This prompts Darim to suggest a picnic, and Seonyu joins them. Once again, Seonyu and Ji-hyuk get into a contest. This time, Myung-soon suggests they play a game to decide the winner. Ji-hyuk sulks like a baby when Seonyu wins the chance to buy drinks for the ladies. Luckily, Darim and In-ae find a way to ease his bruised ego. In the evening, Ji-hyuk buys everyone dinner and sleeps on the sofa. On the other hand, In-ae talks to Darim and tells her all about Ji-hyuk's sad childhood. She points out that Ji-hyuk is drawn to her because of her bright and loving personality. Later, Darim asks Myung-soon for advice on how to determine if a man loves her. Her mom pretty much tells her that actions speak louder than words. That night, as Darim puts the blanket over Ji-hyuk, she thinks back on all the times he has been there for her. She recalls all the moments he saved her and realizes that Ji-hyuk must be in love. The revelation comes as a bit of a shock to her. The next day, the team work hard to make the exhibition a success. Darim gets jealous when she sees Hyang and Jihyok acting like a couple. However, Jihyok takes a moment to clarify and reassure her. The event is a huge success until a man sent by Taeyang sneaks in. The masked man makes his way to Hyang's office and pours gasoline all over. Jihyok spots the suspicious man and confronts him. The two get into a heated fight, but Jihyok is overpowered. He loses consciousness, giving the man a chance to start a fire. The team quickly and safely gets everyone out. Darim panics when she realizes Jihyok is still in the building. She returns and discovers him passed out in Hyang's office. She miraculously carries him out and Jihyok regains consciousness. She embraces him, crying about how worried she was. Jihyok forgets all about the fire and confesses he likes her for who she is. Overwhelmed by her emotions, Darim kisses him.